He's back there somewhere. There he is.
Oh, hello.
Good morning. We're about to get on a cruise. The Disney Wish. Very excited. Our pickup's at 10 a.m. So they picked up our luggage at 7 a.m. And
We went back to sleep somehow.
yeah, we went back to sleep, which was nice. So we have to meet at 9:30, pickups at 10 a.m. Yay! It's Disney Cruise Day. So excited. That boardwalk is so nice. It was a very nice place to stay. And off to the cruise bus. We're the last stop of the day, so then we can just head straight to the port.
Your driver is Dennis. He's going to take great care of you. You're on your way to the new Wish. Have a fantastic time. Enjoy your time with your family and friends, and we're off to the Wish. Woo!
Bigger than the last one I was on.
A little bit bigger. We were on the Dream last time.
Yeah.
A little bit bigger. We're starting. There's no line. This was so crowded when Mom and I were here. I guess, yeah. We're just like walking right on. Hi.
What is your last name, your family?
McDade.
McDade?
Uh-huh.
Here we go. Please welcome aboard the McDade family.
Thank you. Yay, we're here. Oh, Cinderella's up there. Hi. Thank you.
You look like you could use this.
Yes, I do. Thank you very much. Yay.
Please welcome aboard the Cassis Jones family.
Please welcome aboard the House family.
Now it's lunchtime. Oh, it smells good. I'm so hungry right now. It is 11:51 and we have not eaten anything today. So hungry. Gotta wash your hands. Oh man. Oh, not open yet. Must open at noon. We can get a table. Got a beautiful table outdoors at Marceline Market. They just literally opened. I've never been here on the ship so early that it wasn't open yet. But started off with my traditional seafood platter. Sauteed shrimp, potatoes, and crab. Oh my gosh. I am so hungry. Delicious. All right, for round 3, some famous chicken tenders and a charcuterie board. This is like a piece of multi-herb focaccia bread. Looks really good. Charcuterie board looks really good. Very fancy. Everything's been delicious so far. We're extremely hungry. Yum. Oh, it's so nice out here. So nice. You got what, roast beef? Roast beef? What it is?
Yep, roast beef. Roasted beef was the label on it, which I thought was very cute. Broccoli and,
Of course.
chicken tender.
And chicken tendy. I am already on to dessert, which is carrot cake and the Oreo cheesecake. I remember these two being my favorite from last time.
I was in line for these chicken tenders.
Yeah.
It was the kids counter, and when you went up there, it was all adults.
It's all adults. We all know what's good. Oh yeah, so Shaun got his own Oreo cheesecake because they ate all of mine.
Yep. I'll show you the pretty side of that.
Yeah.
There you go.
There we go. And you got the pecan tart
Yep.
and the no sugar added chocolate mousse.
Well, if it's no sugar added, actually I'll just throw it in there. Which I didn't.
Better not.
Didn't see that.
I'll eat it.
We get to try it.
Yeah, yum. It's the best part of the meal. Lunch accomplished. It was amazing. It was nice to just eat without much of a crowd. And we're gonna go down to Luna to see if we have Enchante booked for our at sea day. We're gonna see if we can maybe get an alternative for one of the courses. There's a course that's all tomato, which doesn't really settle well with me. So we're seeing if we can change it up a little bit. Oh man, desserts.
Oh, I wanted 2 apple crumbles. Here's some more, okay? Come on.
Maybe a little showing of the food. I actually forgot to get some of these grilled sesame shrimp are amazing too. Yeah. Some grilled chicken salads, chef salad. Well, they got a falafel salad. Huh. Oh, I missed all these.
Hey.
Oh, the Parmesan cheese rolls look good. Stick them in your pocket. Oh, cute. Little, hi. Oh, we're full. Just.
Hi there. Can I just get some?
Oh, you can't sit indoors, but it's very noisy in here. Did you get yourself a roll? All right. Oh man. Katsu, naan bread. Yeah, this was all really good. Oh man. Szechuan beef. Tikka masala. I had some of this focaccia bread and it was great. Yeah. Focaccia. Oh, I'm good. Thank you. Just looking. So Shaun had some of this roasted beef. It was amazing. You could cut it with your fork. Lamb, grilled chicken breast, sauteed green beans. It was all very good. Really, really good. Never disappoints at Marceline's.
Well, you get something you don't like, you don't have to eat it.
Yep. You can just get some else if you don't like it.
Also, who are you if you got something?
Yeah, also, all the food's delicious, so who are you? All right, we're heading down to Luna on deck 4. Here's the one bar on my last trip that we couldn't get into because there were football playoff games going on. And that was no dice. Also, we're now upstairs of Luna. It was no trouble to change our dining menu, which is great because we both don't really like tomatoes. Tomatoes in general don't agree with me very much. So for our enchanté brunch, they're gonna swap out that course with something special. So it's very exciting. It was very easy. Now we're gonna go window shop. Joyful Sweets. Oh my God. Wow. King Candy ice cream. Oh my goodness. Ooh, no sugar added butter pecan. And chocolate chip. Oh, it's a sundae tub. Oh my goodness. Bing bong. Everybody love bing bong. Birthday cake. Sorbet. Dulce de leche. Okay, they have a plant-based chocolate chip. So I could have that. Yeah. Oh man. Now we got gelato. Oh, look how fancy they are. Oh. Wow. Oh my God. Cupcake batter. Oh, I'm just gonna cry and lactose intolerant. All the toppings. Oh my goodness. Yum. Get some macarons. These are things you can all buy. Nothing in here is free. So cute. And we got some more treats here. Oh, this happy birthday one's so cute. Or a unicorn. And chocolate drips. Strawberries. More macarons. These look good. These brownies look good.
Oh, they do.
Yum. We got a carrot cake brownie. Blueberry and lemon. No, thank you. Wow. So cute. It's very cute in here. Oh man. This is adorable. It's kind of gloomy outside today. It's a little bit of a gloomy day.
They got just regular candy and stuff over here.
Yep, just regular boring candy. And we're on the deck. Yeah. Amazing. Yeah, you can just take stuff from Cabanas or whatever to go from Marceline Market. You don't have to eat it there. That's what people do for breakfast. They go to Marceline and they take it back to their room. There's a bar. Yes, please. Yeah, now they have a bar right in the middle of the pool deck. It's very nice. Thank you. Yum. Champagne. Good stuff. It's busy up here. Look closer. Shaun and I. No siree. They find out there's so much more to me. Look at the other cruise ships here. We've got the Carnival Freedom and the Mariner of the Seas next door. Yeah. It's a little overcast today. It may rain tonight for the sail away party. So we'll see what happens. I'm also fine just chilling out in the room during the sail away. Maybe. We'll find out. We're kind of going with the flow. Currently, this is what, the front of the ship or the back of the ship? Okay. Anyways, this is the MSC. It's also a very big ship. Very big. Oh yeah, that's concierge down there. The sign. Must be nice. Brr, brr, brr. Someday. Someday. Maybe. Also wanted to note, as soon as we got in the terminal, I opened up our app and was able to book a mixology class for our Nassau day at 3:30. I also booked the Walking the Ship tour that starts, I think, at 1 or 1:30 on Nassau. So our day at Nassau may be kind of rainy, so it's kind of nice to find stuff to do indoors that is pre-booked, so we don't have to worry about it being full. But I've been trying to book mixology this whole time and I've been shut out, so I'm very excited that I was able to get us a spot. So we loved it on the Dream. Cannot wait to do it on the Wish. Yay. So Matt, this is where you would bring your kiddos. Until they hit 3 in our potty train, they have a splash pad that they can use. It's Toy Story themed. Very cute. And right across from that is a bar, of course. Oh, here's where Wheezy's Freezy's is. That's where you get the boozy Dole Whip. Yeah. We are officially in the adults only area. There's nobody in the hot tub. Oh my god. I want to go in so bad. Also, look at this sky. It looks so dark. There's a rain coming, I think. Maybe we'll be watching Sail Away from our room. So over there is Cove Cafe, which is the adult coffee bar. And then they have like a nice little relaxation pool. You can keep your feet wet. And then there's the infinity pool. It is almost 2 o'clock and there's really nobody in it. But gosh, these rainstorms, I don't know guys, this looks pretty bad. It looks pretty bad. I guess we'll see. But anyways, we're chilling out. Got a nice spot to sit. Got some water. There's a bar right here. Yeah, this is really nice. Very nice and relaxing. Very quiet. It's got a lightning alert on my phone and we can hear it thunder. It is a coming. Yep. Oh my goodness. At least we're on the ship. We got to do a few things outside. We got to eat lunch outside, which was really nice. But oh my goodness, this storm. We are in our room.
members.
Yay!
We'll check you in and give
Oh,
you
man.
additional information and instructions.
Ta-da!
All of us on board Disney
Yay!
are dedicated to making
Oh, man.
your cruise
Mhm.
a safe and enjoyable experience.
This was my other surprise.
Oh, what's this?
You gotta open it up, find out.
All right.
Have fun, because I had a hard time opening up mine. I don't know if they sealed that one like they did the other one.
Oh, yeah, I see what you mean.
A magical cruise.
Oh, a robe.
It's a robe.
Oh, my God.
Uh-huh.
Disney Wish.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is very soft.
I know, isn't it?
Oh, my goodness.
They barely came back in stock.
Does not require you to
The
wear
Disney
your life jacket.
Cruise.
However,
This is really nice. Thank you.
We get to keep them too.
Yeah.
So it's a 2-pack, so I get one too.
Heck yeah. Thank you very much.
Yep, so it came with that and a rose and a bottle of champagne and some chocolates.
Oh, my goodness.
Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Happy anniversary, cutie.
Thank you. Happy anniversary.
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness.
Yep, well, I figured that'd be nice to just sit in the ropes out on the deck. Oh, you're so cute. My lovey, honey. You're so cute. Oh,
This is
man.
great. This is
Yeah.
my first time seeing the room, too.
I know. Yeah.
This
It's
is really nice.
it's beautiful. Mm-hmm. The TV's in a different spot.
for those traveling with you, talk to your stateroom
Yeah, you said
host
it's a
or
full-size
hostess
shower?
about special
The tub is much better, isn't it? Yeah.
infant life jackets. Keep in mind that whistles
TV is
and
so
lights
loud.
on your life jacket are important safety features and should never be used unless
Yeah.
Don't look at it. That's private.
emergency. Understanding the safety procedures on board is
Yeah, we'll be
very
doing that
important.
soon.
That doesn't mean you can't
Mustard
have
drill.
fun while doing it. The safety
Yeah, it's a closet.
information placard posted on the back of your stateroom
There you
door
go.
And a card that is on the bed
Yep.
in your stateroom.
So we don't have our luggage quite yet.
Emergency procedures, including primary
Okay, well that's interesting. Not sure what you need that for. Maybe to get up to the bunk bed,
on how to follow low-level lighting during
which we're not using.
and how to put on life jackets. Please locate and try
That's
on
fine.
the life
Yeah, but we do have a.
Surprise.
Yeah, no, that's not a surprise. We have a Princess and the Frog.
host or hostess is
themed
available
room
to
with
assist
Tiana.
guests who need help
This is wonderful.
Yeah.
the information.
Hey,
Here are the instructions
dressed up.
on your life jacket. First,
There's a
untie
controller
the life
somewhere.
jacket, Unroll the strap.
Maybe.
Then pull the life jacket
Maybe.
over your head.
Yeah, it says have a magical cruise.
Tighten the waist belt.
It's got chocolates
Make sure the waist belt is fastened in a
and some
horizontal
champagne, which we need to put in the fridge.
front of the life
Mhm.
jacket.
Yum. Oh boy.
Found it.
Hey, found it. Now it's so nice and quiet in
Oh,
here.
man.
Yay.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to getting into this.
I know.
Check this out. What kind of
Mm-hmm.
champagne is this, do you know?
I have no idea. Boteca.
There you go, white gold.
Mm-hmm.
Could be,
Could be good.
could be a little bit sweet.
Mm-hmm. We'll give it a shot.
Yeah, it's
So-
a brute.
Okay. Yeah, we'll see. You're welcome.
This is really nice.
Happy anniversary.
This is really nice. Thank you very much.
Yeah, so we can have some, if we decide to do the sail away here.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Should put that in the fridge probably, huh?
Yeah, it's right there. That's the drawer.
Find it all on my own.
Yeah, I can tell.
Nope.
You have to lay it down, I think.
I'll never. Okay, I'm gonna lay it down this one time.
Just this once. Good job.
Thank you
Yay.
very much. This is so
You're welcome.
nice.
Yeah.
This is so nice.
Yay. Oh, man. Yeah, let's look at the chocolates that they gave us. There's quite a few.
Yeah,
I expected like a little tiny box.
this is really pretty.
It says welcome aboard.
Hey.
Yeah, probably just milk chocolate and white chocolate.
That's what it looks like. Yeah,
Yeah.
it might be filled with
Mhm.
something.
We're gonna find out.
We'll find out.
Mm-hmm. Yum.
Next time we're hungry, which will be, I don't know when.
I don't know when, but someday. Even if we end up just taking them with us to Universal.
Could be.
Could be. There's not much to see out here right now, but there will be in a few hours. Yeah, this is the size of the balcony. It is so big. I love it. They are busy out here getting ready to sail away. Whoo! Severe thunderstorm watch just got issued. Fun times. You can still see it, just you can see the rain shafts out there. It does not look great.
Keeping it rolling. I need to know who here loves this concert.
And we're going to be celebrating sex sale on decks 3, 4, and 5 in our Grand Hall. So make your way all the way to the Grand Hall right now, as we're going to be bringing this party indoors. See you soon, everyone.
It's pouring. Yeah, so they guess what the party is going inside, which we're not. We're not. We're going inside, but not to the party. We're gonna go to our room. We are back in our room. We are officially moving. Slow and steady. Yep. You can see the thrusters going back there. Yep. Bye, Disney Cruise Terminal. We will see you on Friday. Not a day too soon. Well, I wouldn't say that. This is so cool. See all the people out in their rooms since the sail away party was basically canceled. We just really didn't have any desire to be indoors in a big crowd of people like that. So we're just gonna skip it and unpack and get settled. Dinner's at 8:15 and there's a show at 6:30. So it'll be nice to be settled before everything else starts tonight. Yeah. We're sailing away. So as we're leaving, we're passing by the MSC Meraviglia, maybe. It's close. This is, Shaun looked it up. It's the 5th biggest cruise ship in the world. Because it's as big as ours, maybe probably bigger. Yeah, it's big. Man. Anyways, this is nice. Yeah, it's a good feeling. Yeah.
Don't have anything we have to think about for 5 days.
I know, yeah. So we don't have anything to do until 6 o'clock when we're going to go watch the CZ Adventure show. Yeah. No.
I'm not
Yeah.
gonna think about anything.
Nothing at all.
Just leave me around by hand.
Yeah, that's all right. You can shut your brain off for 5 days. Done. Already done. Where did you see it?
It was like over here.
Yeah. Shaun says he thinks he saw a dolphin.
I think so. Maybe I made it up.
Well, people, I thought they were reacting to the lightning, but they were like pointing something out. I wonder if that was it. Oh, there's people on the deck.
Boy, there's a big sign that's on the roof.
Oh. Woo! That's so cool. We're really booking it now. You can start to see the open, choppy water. Yep. Oh man, it's gonna be great. Well, until tomorrow morning when we're in Nassau. Yeah, so tomorrow's Nassau, Wednesday is Castaway Cay, Thursday we are at sea, and then Friday we come back. Someone's making a racket. Goodness. Glad they're not our neighbors. Burp! Bird vision. Meow. Yeah, that's a rough looking beach. Man.
The ship could be rocking and rolling today.
It could be. Possibly. Yeah, look at those waves. Man. Yeah, I think so. Some rocky waves. And there's the beautiful ocean out there.
Hopefully we don't have any more outdoor stuff.
Yeah, no more outdoor stuff today, good. Thank goodness.
This was honestly standing up here with everybody else was just as good as the.
Yeah, this was great. Yep. I love it. On our way to the Walt Disney Theater to see Seize the Adventure. Very excited to not see this from the very last row on the very top. See it properly. Getting ready for Seize the Adventure. No filming, so I'll see you guys after. Amazing show. Hello, hi. Thank you. Wow, we're all the way back. I've never seen this part. Wow, this is beautiful. There's the guy. There you are. It's very nice. I don't know if I've showed myself yet. Thank you. 1923. Very excited to be fancy tonight. This is olive fig bread.
Yes.
Yes, with the honey butter.
Yeah.
Yep. Yum. I'm so hungry. So our sommelier, or the guy in charge of all the drinks, I asked for champagne. He's like, what kind? I'm like, I don't know. I was like, I like sweet, not dry. So he suggested honey bubbles, and it's amazing.
No one wonder if that's actually what it's called.
I hope so, because I'm going to order it again.
Well, not just that, but you want to try to find it later, maybe.
Right, yeah, it's really good though. Highly recommended.
Are these mushrooms?
Yep,
What are your mushrooms looking?
Whittier mushrooms. This is my favorite meal on any Disney cruise ship that I have been on so far, is this tuna. And I have asked for it, and then my waiter says that I can have it every night if I want. Yeah.
Trying every little component.
Yep, Shaun got a little tortellini dish too for appetizers. We ordered every entree except for the lamb. YOLO. YOLO. We came very hungry, to be fair. It's 8:30 at night. Yep. Yum. So we got the salmon, the parsnip puree, and rapini, my filet mignon with the pepper sauce, my favorite meal. Shaun's filet mignon, the chicken,
And the turtle.
and the pasta, the mushroom pasta. We're hungry.
Yep. We won't be soon.
We won't be soon though, yeah, that's true. Yeah, I should, ooh, you just saw that. I should mention we're going through a thunderstorm right now and it's lightning outside, which is very cool at night. Got our dessert menu, where we are gonna literally order the entire thing. Anyways, we just ordered dessert, ordered the whole menu. Very excited about that.
And there's also something that's not on the menu.
And possibly something for anniversary. They've been doing a lot of celebrations tonight, so I assume we're gonna get ours tonight too.
Yeah, and a Mickey bar.
And we ordered a Mickey bar to go. Well, we purposefully eat lunch and then nothing else until 8 o'clock at night.
I really wanted some barbecue earlier, and I said no.
Yep.
You're gonna eat so much at dinner.
Yeah, right. So we purposefully just not eat anything for 8 hours until we get to dinner because we know we love everything here.
Yeah, in our defense, we're only eating 2 gigantic meals.
Yeah, just 2 big meals. But it's all delicious.
It's worth it.
It's worth it. It's so good. And we do actually eat quite a bit of it. So, yeah. Anyways, it's great. And I'm very much looking forward to the dessert while watching a thunderstorm outside. It's very cool. All right, dessert is here. We have cheesecake. This is an almond cake.
Bavarian cream.
That's a Bavarian cream. Oh boy, this Sunday. And 2 Mickey bars to go. Oh boy. Thank you so much.
Pleasure, enjoy. Bon appetit.
Thank you. It's the coconut tapioca
Yeah.
and churros.
You'll be lucky if we're not doing it.
I'll have to come back and look more at this artwork. It's very cool. Oh, wow. Yeah. It is so cool. So they had over 900 pieces of artwork in this restaurant. Yeah, so there's two halves of this restaurant, a Roy Disney side and a Walt Disney side. We are on the Walt Disney side. Yeah, that was great. Great dinner. Yay. Oh, it's so much quieter out here now. Goodness. We came back and there's a little penguin. He's even got eyes, the little eyeballs. Oh my goodness. So cute. Oh my gosh. Yay. How's your Mickey bar?
It's great. It's getting softer by the moment.
Yeah, they brought me one too, even though I didn't want one. I only ordered one for Shaun, but they gave us both one.
Not to go on the deck and eat this bait on the veranda. And eat this bait.
You're gonna get struck by lightning.
Mickey bar though.
Mickey bar though. Mickey bar
man.
on the veranda. Oh,
Oh.
you can't even see out there. Whoa, this is weird. Whoa. Oh my God. You can just see the rain. You can't see them on camera probably, but like you can just see like the rain shafts. This is trippy. Oh my gosh. My first thunderstorm out at sea. It's awesome. Yeah, it's just, you can just see the rain pouring out. It's not raining on the veranda though. We're pretty well protected in here. Man. Not a good night if you get motion sickness. Thankfully we're fine. I take Bonine twice a day and I have a ginger patch behind my ear and I feel good. Obviously after eating so much food. Goodness.
But our table neighbors never showed up.
Yeah, our table neighbors never showed up. Or the people behind us.
That might be why.
Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, I have a feeling with the shipping so rocky tonight, some people just weren't up to dinner. Holy nuts. You know Dad wishes he was here.
Oh, the man. He loves it.
Yeah, he would.